Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify NACS charging handshake using Tesla mobile app. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Tesla account. Navigate to the charging section of the app. Select the vehicle for which you want to verify the NACS charging handshake. Ensure that your vehicle is powered on. Locate the charging cable and connect it to your vehicle's NACS port. Once connected, you should see a charging status update in the app. Monitor the charging status to confirm that the vehicle is receiving power. Look for the message indicating that the charging handshake is successful. Check the current charge level displayed in the app. If the status indicates a fault or error, disconnect the cable. Reinsert the charging connector into the NACS port. Wait for the app to update the charging status again. Confirm that the charging handshake is now successful. Review any additional charging metrics, such as charging speed and estimated time to full charge. Once charging is complete, safely disconnect the charger from your vehicle. Verify the final charge level in the Tesla mobile app. You have successfully verified the NACS charging handshake using the Tesla mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.